Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 28th, 2021. Let's find out what is going on the Forex market by looking on the Forex calendar. As you can see, there isn't many events today. Only some data from the Japan had been published. Unemployment rate in Japan is rising from 2.7% to 2.8%. Industrial production is rising as well from 1.8% to 7.2%, which is better than expected number of 4.9%. Bank of Japan core CPI index is right now rising from 0.6% to 0.8% as well. So pretty much bullish data from Japan. During the London session, not actually, there isn't anything important to mention, and the New York session will give us a house price index, Case-Shiller 20 city index as well, both of them scheduled for release at 3 o'clock, and then at 4 o'clock Richmond Fed manufacturing index. So that's everything for today on the Forex calendar. Let's find out what's going on charts. The first chart we are going to look on is US dollar to Japanese yen. As we can see here, the wave B is rising a little bit higher right now. Is currently just out of the channel, recently broke above the technical resistance at 114.74. the close of the yesterday candle was at 114.33. Today it might be some sort of a pin bar candle in the making, so let's just wait for the daily candle close to complete. I just removed the wave show wave feature in the screen, but what I want to see here, basically what I want to see here is ABC correction to the upside. I think it might be a zigzag, so what I'm looking for right now is the top for the wave B, blue in a circle. So what do we have here is A, B, and potential C, and of course this is a smaller degree, so I want like a little bit different one. Micro, micro is like a minuet. Is the same. Let's just yep, this one is good. Let's say red one, for example. So what I'm looking for is the ABC pattern to complete, and let me just find out whether we have hit some sort of the Fibonacci levels. Measure the wave A from the bottom of the wave B. There you go. The wave C has hit 100% of the extension of the wave A measured from the low of the wave B, 114.90. So it looks like we got the A equals C, so it's a 100% extension, which is nice for this market to complete the ABC pattern to the upside and complete the wave B here. Let me just fiddle with this. There you go. This is what I'm looking for right now. So what we need, apparently, let me just remove this this line. There you go, so we will not get confused. ABC is done. What we need is wave C to the downside. Why? Because this move here in wave B looks way too dynamic for one single corrective move to the downside. This move is ABC. This is clearly corrective in nature, right? We got only 3 waves in the wave B, so this will be now technical support, the level of 114.29, which is the high of the wave A. So if we break below this level, then the ABC is confirmed, and we should expect the move to the downside. So we should expect, if we break below this level, we should expect the move in the wave C to the downside towards the levels of 112.25, 112.09, or even 111.71. If we let me just remove the unnecessary measurements. There you go. 127 is not really needed as well. If we do the same thing for the ABC blue in circle. Let's say this was the high, so as you can see 100% is exactly at the level of 111.98, so that should be the bottom for the wave C, and then we have the perfect symmetry ABC blue in circle and ABC the red one in the brackets. So very nice technical pattern in the US dollar to Japanese yen. Well, we will see how this will be developed over the time. Please keep an eye on the level of 114.29 key level for now on the US dollar to Japanese yen. So we got some data from the US. Let's find out what is US dollar index doing. As you can see, the US dollar index doesn't do much this time. We can see here the double potential double top here at 96.90. The lesser top was 96.88. That's not bad. However, right now we are just bouncing from the upper channel line here, so we should expect this market to either bounce drastically higher above 96.90 soon, or to finally break below this level and hit 95.50, which is the nearest technical support. Please keep an eye on the RSI. The RSI is very close to the level of 50, which is the neutral level, which is why we keep bouncing from the upper main channel line. If there is a breakout lower, then of course we will enter the negative territory and the bears will get a short-term advantage over the bulls, and the market might go even towards the extremely oversold condition, which is somewhere, let's say, around 94, 71, 47 or 27. This is the zone of the demand on the US dollar index. So please keep an eye on this this chart as well. Not too big volatility as we are edging the week. There's only few days left in 2021 to trade, so volatility is drying up, of course. Let's find out what is going on US dollar to the Canadian dollar. This US dollar to the Canadian dollar chart is showing us that the market keeps going higher. We got the sequence of the higher highs and higher lows. Recent high made at the level of 1.2963. Of course, there is some kind of a piercing pattern here at the daily time frame chart. However, it looks very much bullish. Maybe there is some sort of the channel as well. But what I would like to put on my chart is, of course, this corrective measurement. That's the correction, 1.90. Let me just be more precise. There you go, 1.90. The recent correction wasn't that bad, I guess. 1.44 so far. So please, we cannot go below 1.90 because that would mean that we are the overbalance. Okay, so now the level of course 1.28 and 1.2898 is still the technical resistance. However, the key level is still 1.2996 to the upside. Momentum is still positive. It's not that strong, only 54 points. However, we should expect this market to go higher in the coming days as well. The next market we would like to take a look at is the market of silver. Is the market of silver. This is spot silver market. What is going on here? There is very technical bounce after the hammer candle was made. Technical bars bounced towards 38% of the Fibonacci retracement, 22.91, and towards the key short-term technical resistance, 22.97. As you can see, we broke above this level, and we broke above the level of 50 on the RSI. So right now, if we extend higher, this is a positive territory. So we might very quickly got more ground here towards 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, 23.38. Next technical resistance around 23.48, or even 61% of the Fibonacci retracement at 23.86. So this bounce looks very promising. However, if we take a look on the broader picture of the silver, we should see this level $21-22 as the key longer term technical support, despite the fact we just broke below this level and made a low at 21.32. This is still key technical level for this market, so please keep an eye on the blue arrow as well. We might put one more line here on the chart, which would be, of course, the trend line, the blue trend line. Yes, the market trades below this line. However, please notice the fact that very often that zone between 21.34 21.90 is tested. It was tested before in 2020, in 2020 again, then in 2021 at the end of the September, and recently in the middle of the December. So this is important level. Last two moves towards this level ended up with a new high, so maybe this time it will be the same situation. So please keep an eye on silver today, because it looks like the bulls wants to get more of this bounce, because this level here, 21.39, is the key level here. If we break below this level, there is a chances that we will go below $20, because that's the key long-term technical support level and the long-term demand zone for the bulls. And last but not least, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had been rejected from the technical resistance at 51,846. As you can see here, we tried to break above this level twice, but the bulls failed to rally. So of course we got the down move here started. So right now, after we bounced towards the neutral level, and after a few days of hovering around the neutral level of the momentum, finally we got moved to the downside, because bears are winning this fight right now. Still, the key level is 51,846 and 53,228. No breakout above means no extension to the upside and no return to the uptrend for Bitcoin. Nearest support 45,429 on the Bitcoin. Please pay attention to the current situation, because it's the end of the year and the movements on the market, on any market, might be a little bit violent, might be a little bit chaotic, because the traders are removing the liquidity from the markets before the year's end. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.